friends and family. Spring has officially sprung and we're going to be doing some spring cleaning today. I have my to-do list of some things that I'm definitely wanting to focus on. Cleaning all the doors, wiping them down really good, including the tops, all the door frames, and all of that good stuff. Definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all are going to be focusing on during your spring cleaning, or if you're even doing any spring cleaning at all. With the weather starting to warm up here on the East Coast, I am just so excited to get everything freshened up and ready for summer. So let's go ahead and take a look at, I have to show you guys. You're gonna get a kick out of my Easter decor this year. There it is in all of its glory. That was all that I have the energy to do this year. I could not do any other decorating. Y'all know that I work full-time, I'm a mom full-time, a wife full-time, and a stepmom full-time, and sometimes you just gotta cut some stuff where you can. One thing that I love to do, which I'll probably pick some up later on, is I love having fresh flowers, fresh cut flowers in a pretty vase, maybe on the kitchen table or something like that. So that's all I'll be doing for spring decor this year, and that's fine because that's all I can do.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon.
I would love to introduce you guys to Fitty. This is Fitty, our fiddle leaf tree. Yes, we name our plants. So I'm just taking a damp paper towel with a little bit of water and wiping all of the dust off of our plants.
Till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel.
So this is just a little lint roller that I found at the Dollar Tree, and this is seriously one of the best cleaning hacks, and it helps to get all the dust off your lampshades super easy.
Never survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me. Yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Yeah, got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. I already know better. 24K got nothing.
The Method Glass and Surface Cleaner is seriously one of my favorites.
Play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me. I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong. So go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it.
So let me know today in the comments, are you cleaning with me today or are you just relaxing?
I gave you too much honestly and you closed the door. Now you're calling me but
So I got up here with a magic eraser to try and get this grubby stuff off, just to find that it was actually paint. So I guess the door frame or the walls at one time were that dark green color.
Own it, I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down.
So I found this really cool drawer organizer at Target, and it's like interlocking, so you can like rearrange it in however you want to. So after I clean out the junk drawer and throw stuff away and clean it out really good, then I will rearrange those parts for our junk drawer, so that way it'll best suit us for everyday use.
Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams, yeah. But I already know better, I'm a go-getter and I got me. I never know this, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. It's been a minute since I found someone who makes me wanna know a thing about love. But oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Tend to keep myself from diving in. I got fed up with the sink or swim. But oh my God, I'm falling hard for you. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby.
You can find these little like travel sewing kits at the Dollar Tree. I just feel like it's a good thing to keep in your junk drawer.
I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. Now I'm dying when you call me yours. Pour my heart out on the kitchen floor. Cause oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Where did this come from? Lightning in my lungs. Oh my God, don't you ever stop. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck.
So I found this at the Dollar Tree and it smells so amazing. It smells just like spring. Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for all of your love and support, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!